In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively reduce noise in your photos using photo editing software. This process is essential if you're aiming to enhance the quality of your images by eliminating unwanted graininess or color speckles. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open your photo in the Edit view of your chosen software. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the right panel in the interface. Here, you should see an option labeled Details, or perhaps it might say Edit, followed by Detail Panel. This is where the noise reduction controls are usually located, according to Adobe's documentation. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this panel, as it's your main tool for cleaning up your image. Now, the heart of the process lies in using the noise reduction slider effectively. Depending on the software, you might see a single slider labeled Noise Reduction, or separate sliders for luminance noise and color noise. These controls allow you to dial back the visible grain or color speckles that might be marring your photo. When you adjust these sliders, start with small increments to avoid overprocessing, which can render your image unnaturally smooth. For the most accurate assessment of how these changes are affecting your image, it's important to zoom in to 100%, also known as a 1:1 view. This means the image is displayed at its true size on your screen, similar to looking at the photo through a magnifying glass. By assessing the noise at this zoom level, you'll be able to judge the effect of your adjustments with precision. After you've tackled the noise, notice how the overall sharpness of your image might have changed. Noise reduction can sometimes leave an image appearing softer than you'd like. At this point, you may want to make minor adjustments to the sharpening or texture settings. Tweaking these settings will help you regain any detail lost during the noise reduction process. But, as with the noise reduction sliders, take care to apply these adjustments subtly. Overdoing it can lead to an unnatural appearance, just in another direction. By following these steps, you should be able to significantly enhance your photograph's quality. Remember that practice makes perfect, and these adjustments might require some fine-tuning before they become second nature. Whether you're a professional photographer looking to refine your images or an enthusiast aiming for high-quality shots for social media, mastering noise reduction can dramatically improve your photography results. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.